What is the process of confirming an address in Spotify Family Plan?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss an important feature of the Spotify Family Plan, confirming your address. Understanding this process is crucial as Spotify requires all the members of a family plan to reside at the same address.
What is the Spotify Family Plan?
Spotify Family Plan is a subscription service that allows up to 6 family members to enjoy Spotify Premium under one billing account, but with separate accounts. Everyone gets to listen without ads and can play music offline. One key requirement for the family plan is that all members must live at the same address.
Why is confirming an address important?
When you set up a Spotify Family Plan, you are asked to enter a home address that will be shared with all members of your plan. This requirement is to ensure that everyone using the family plan lives in the same household. Failing to confirm the address can lead to removal from the plan.
How to confirm an address?
When you're invited to join a family plan, Spotify sends an email invitation to the email address associated with your Spotify account. The invitation contains a link which, when clicked, prompts you to confirm the address provided by the plan's manager. 1. Open the email invitation. 2. Click the Accept Invitation button. 3. You'll be directed to a page where the address pre-filled by the plan manager will appear. 4. Confirm this is your address and hit Confirm. In case you're asked to verify your address manually, enter the address where you live, which should match the address provided by the plan's manager.
What happens if I can't confirm my address?
If for any reason you can't confirm your address, Spotify will eventually remove you from the family plan. If you're the plan manager and you can't confirm your address, you may need to verify it again or update it. Make sure it's the same address where all members of the family plan live. If you're a member and can't confirm the address, reach out to your plan's manager to ensure they've entered the right address. And there you have it. That's how you can confirm an address in the Spotify Family Plan. Just make sure all members of the plan are indeed living at the same address to enjoy uninterrupted, ad-free music. Happy listening!